Good morning, class. How's your days? Now, before we start our class, I'm going to ask you some questions. Have you guys started to protect your skin, like using some skincare? You can reply me by opening your microphone, or you can just reply it in the text box. Okay, so many of you already have many survey in this skincare thing. Like it seems like you guys are more professional than me. Okay. Okay, now if you didn't protect your skin, your skin may become ugly, and then you may look older than your age. The worst is you may have skin cancer. It's very dangerous, you know. And now, today we are going to learn about listening. What do we need to do when we are listening to something like audio? And we need to take notes, right? We need to know how to take notes about what we have listened. And now I'm going to teach you how to take notes while listening. Okay, the first one is we need to listen to keywords and write it down in your own words. You need to be very careful that you must focus on the words you know, you can understand. You cannot use something like when you look back to your notes, you won't be understanding what you are writing about. Okay. Now the second one is you can use symbols and abbreviations. Symbols and abbreviations such as etc for etc, and eg for example, info for information, ie for that is, and nb for not well and important, and p for page, pp for pages. And symbols like an arrow, equal and unequal, and x for times something. And a love. Love can be used in something you like, or when one character in love with another character. And use any strings that can help you to organize your notes. Now, the third one is you may use color to make your note more clearly. You can use any color you like to organize your notes. Like you can use yellow for this part of notes and red for another mention. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to give you an audio for an example, and I will show you my notes after this. Let us first listen to this audio.
June 9th.
Your skin protects you and keeps you warm or cool. You should do more to take care of it besides cleaning it. When you're in the sun, wear sunscreen.
Does anyone take notes at that time? No? And now I'm going to show you my notes, okay? And this is my notes. You see, the audio says about skin can make us warm and cool. So I will just rather put a skin and then add an arrow to say the symbol is it can keep us warm and cool. Okay, so I don't need to use many of words to write down what the audio say. And the second one is the audio says about we need to use sunscreen in the strong sun. Strong sun. So here I use a yellow color to emphasize the sun because sun is yellow, right? Okay, so in the sun equals to sunscreen. It means like when we are going into the sun, we need to always use our sunscreen. And this is a mention that how I use this short form is SS, like sunscreen. Okay? And now it's your turn to take notes, and I'll pick someone. Okay, now I'm going to give you an audio and you guys need to take notes, okay?
Your skin.
Okay, now stop.
Welcome to the program, Dr. Tanner.
Thank you, Greg.
You're a skin doctor.
Yes, our skin is amazing. It keeps us warm or cool.
How can we take care of it besides cleaning it?
Always wear sunscreen when you're out in the sun.
That's important.
You should stay in the shade when the sun is strong.
Conversation B.
What else can we do to protect our skin?
Have a time limit for your bath or shower, and don't use very hot water.
Why not?
Hot water can remove natural oils from your skin.
It can probably burn your skin too.
Yes, it can, if the water's too hot.
Anything else?
Yes, get enough sleep and don't smoke.
Thank you, Dr. Tanner.
Okay, so now we have listened to this conversations, and now I give you 2 minutes to reorganize your notes, and later I will pick someone to answer my question. Okay, time's up. Who any volunteers? First question is, who is Dr. Tanner? Can anyone answer my question? Who is Dr. Tanner? Okay, Gemma. Yes, Dr. Tanner is a skin doctor because this chapter we are talking about skincare, right? Okay, now the second question is, when should we wear sunscreen? When should we wear sunscreen? Yes, we should wear sunscreen whenever we're under the sun. Okay. Then the third question is, what can keep us warm or cool? Any volunteers? No, then I will pick Amber. What can keep us warm and cool? Our skin, right? Okay, it mentioned in the first sentence. Now the next question is, how can we protect our skin? How can we protect our skin? Anyone? No? Is it too hard? So we can protect our skin by using warm water because it mentioned that we cannot use hot water, right? And we must stay under the shade when the sun is too strong. Okay. Now the last question: why can't we use hot water to take a bath? Why? Anyone? Okay. So, Albert. Yes, because hot water will destroy our oil on the skin that protect us, okay? You all have done a great job today. Now give yourself a big hand. Okay, so it's almost the end of our class, and now Let us do a review. Now, remember, when we are taking notes, we need to listen to keywords and write it down in your own words. And the second one is we must use symbols. We can use symbols and abbreviations. And the third one is we can also use color to make our notes more clearly. This is the end of our class. I will give you the script you listened just now. Today you have learned how to take notes for some important listening. Okay? And now class dismissed.